Hey folks, Allan here at Ottawa St-Laurent Jeep and Ram, 900 St-Laurent Boulevard. I'm going to do a quick walk around for you today on the recent arrival 2018 GMC Yukon XL. Beautiful vehicle, people mover, seats 7, plus with the extended back is the extra storage. I'll give you a quick tour of this in a moment. So here we have our 2018 white GMC Yukon XL. It's an SLT package, so very, very well equipped. Leather seats, heated ventilated front seats. I'll get to that in a moment when I get onto the interior. But here you have the XL version, so it's the extended length version. It still seats 7 people the way it's equipped, but you get the extended wheelbase, giving you a lot more space for cargo at the back, even when you do have a full load of people. So this is a people mover. Nice little feature here is the ability to pop the glass on the back if you want to get some cargo in there and still have it stick out a little or be able to reach in. So like I said, you have the large extra cargo space with the XL version here. Back here you've already got the all-weather floor mats that'll come with the vehicle as well. So back here as well with the SLT, you do have the buttons for the power folding third row seats and the power folding second row seats. Now with the third row seats, you can drop the seat and bring it back up. Very handy if you need to throw some storage in the back. It'll drop both sides and bring back up. On the second row, you can drop the seats forward but manually have to retract them. Moving inside to the spacious back area of the vehicle, you've got a third row that seats 3 people, a second row that has quad captain's chairs. The second row has heated seats. You have temperature controls for the third row climate back here. And as we move into the back area, give you a nice perspective of how big the vehicle is. The vehicle is equipped with dual DVD screens for larger families. So one here on the third row, one here on the second row. In the front seat now, so up front you got a Bose sound system, you got memory seating for 2 positions, perforated leather heated and ventilated front seats. It's a 4-wheel drive with trailer brake control. You got power adjustable pedals. The steering wheel is power adjustable as well. Touchscreen radio. As I said, heated seats and ventilated seats. Large spacious center console with lots of space in here. Headphones and remote control for the DVD player, as well as a nice equipped sunroof. So if you are interested in our beautiful GMC Yukon XL SLT package, give me a call here at Ottawa St-Laurent Jeep and Ram. It's Allan. The number is 613-292-1621. Feel free to text me, call me, or you can email me at agarner@ottawadodge.com. Thanks a lot.